In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your inner fender liner on your Hyundai Accent. It's located in your wheel well. Using a 21mm socket, I'm going to take off the front wheel. Take out these plastic push pins and take out this one as well. And then you're going to want to take this out of the wheel well a little bit and push it away. So we're going to remove this plastic grommet. This one. All right, so we're going to unscrew this nut and this one up here. And then we're going to use a Phillips head and take those out. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove this bolt. Set that off to the side. You're going to want to get underneath these and pull them out. You may be able to get it from the other side. Okay, and now you're just going to work your way around. And take it out as one piece. All right, so I'm going to use these nuts to stabilize this fender cover. Make it easier to get all the other things in. And then the other one up here. So this will hold it in place for you. All right, now we're going to insert our plastic clips. I'm going to put mine first inside this fender liner. Then I'm going to line them up. And push. So we're going to stuff this up so it's above the rim of the fender. Make sure it's secure. And then we're going to put our plastic grommets or push pins in. After you line it up, you can put your push pins in, and that should secure it from falling. Now we're going to put our cover on here. We'll start with our bolt over here. You do have to line up several holes, so make sure you get it through the first two first and then into the car. It's probably the easiest way to go about it. Let's tighten that up. That feels pretty snug. And we can let go. When taking this off, we noticed that there wasn't another plastic grommet in here, so we're going to add that in. So now all we have left is 3 screws. So let's get them started by hand. And then we can snug them up. Put our wheel on. Start our lug nuts by hand. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to tighten up our lug nuts in a crisscross manner. Going to walk the wheel on. And then we'll torque them. We're going to torque our wheels to 80 foot-pounds. The specification is 65 to 80, and I'm going to go with the top. You're going to do this in a crisscross pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.